Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you guys a 2019 24 Dauntless Pro edition. As you can see, the lines on it are absolutely beautiful. They've redesigned it over the last year, so the new design is smoother and sleeker. The hull runs actually better than the one that we had before, so the redesign is really a fantastic job on this. And as we move towards the back of the boat, we've got a jack plate, you got trim tabs, so you've trim tabs are always a big deal to me. And then it's powered by the Mercury Verado 350. This is a rocket ship with this motor on it. It'll get you on plane in less than 3 seconds, and your top end's going to be definitely well over 50 miles an hour. So it'll get you to where you're going. If you're going to go offshore, you can take this offshore, get you there in a hurry, and it's got a really shallow draft, so if you're doing the backwaters, it does that exceptionally well also. So fantastic all the way around. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 24 Dauntless Pro. Let's start back on the back of the boat. If you are fishing, it's set up exceptionally well for that. You've got non-skid surface all the way out the back, so as far as plenty of platform for fishing off the back, it's set up nicely there. Convenient place for your bait, large live well right there as well. And then if you're going for a ride, we can also put a cushion and a backrest in the rod holders, so the rod holders do both. So a couple of comfy seats for people to ride in the back if you're going out for just for fun, going to the beach, that type of thing. You've got the Yeti cooler, large Yeti cooler, which actually has a slide that'll slide out for convenience. Rocket launchers, and then you've got a nice setup here. You got your smart craft gauges for all your temperatures and pressures and everything, and then plenty of room here to put a GPS chart plotter if you do want to do that. And then one of the cool features of this boat is if you do want to drive it from up top, and that's what the Pro Series has. It's got the platform, and then it's got the same electronics up there. You get the same digital throttle and shift, trim tabs, stereo, smart craft gauges, all of that is up there to drive from the top as well. So you've got the T-top, which is obviously set for convenience of fishing. And then a really good size for a 24-foot boat, a good size head area. It is a pump out head, and so plenty of room in there. It has a window up there for extra lighting and some fresh air as well. And as we move to the front, we've got a comfortable seat here, extra rod holders, drink holders, and then you've got a forward live well. So you've got 2 live wells on the boat. Really nice to have it in the bow of the boat when you're fishing off the bow. Going for a ride, you got the comfy seats. The lounge deck pops up to the lounger, so you're very comfortable going for a ride here. Huge fish box underneath, all non-skid throughout. It does everything very, very well. If you want to go again to the beach, you can bring it right up onto the beach, hop off, or as far as fishing, it's got everything you're going to need for fishing. So shallow draft, does handle the Gulf very, very well. It's got the big motor on it. It's got the upper station. It's just a fantastic boat. So if you got any questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.